friends. I have already posted one video on French Revolution, that is the first chapter of class 9. This is my second video. To continue with the same topic, in this video I'll be discussing about the causes of the French Revolution. So watch the video till the end. Right, now talking about the causes of the French Revolution, there were many reasons behind why this incident happened, why such conditions were created in France, that the people in France, they became against of their own ruler, right? So side by side we'll be discussing the reasons, also we'll be talking about the events that took place in this revolution, right? So in my previous video I have already discussed about the fall of Bastille, which was an immediate cause for the French Revolution. From the fall of Bastille, if you remember, Bastille was a very infamous prison. It was a symbol of despotic rule. I have already explained these terms in that video, so please watch these videos in proper sequence. Then only you'll be able to understand these terms, the entire thing, right? So when the prison was stormed by the people, and a condition rose that the people militia which was gathered there in near the town hall of Paris, in the French ruler Louis XVI, who was ruling at that time, he had this fear that the people are coming to do an attack on him. Imagine, the ruler itself is not having faith over his public, and on other side, when the people saw the military, the troops of the rulers with their arms, then they thought that the ruler is now giving an order to do an open firing on them, and so we need to be fully prepared to give an answer to the ruler. So that is the reason why they stormed the Bastille prison. They looted all the arms from there, and they killed the in charge of prison, and released all the all the prisoners who were there in the prison. So this was all about the the fall of Bastille, which was the immediate cause. From this incident, there were several incidents taking place in France. A series of events were taking. It led to the beginning of a series of events, and ultimately that resulted into the killing of the ruler in France, that is Louis XVI. So we'll be discussing the causes first. So let's start with the topic. So today's topic is causes of the French Revolution. Now, when Louis XVI in France, this is a rough map. So in France, this is Europe. France is a nation in Europe, right? So France, for about 2 centuries, Bourbon dynasty was ruling in France, right? So when Louis XVI became the ruler in the year 1774, when he became the ruler of France, he was a ruler of Bourbon dynasty. He found that the ruler's treasury was empty. Why? The reason was that Louis XVI, when he became ruler, he was helping the 13 American colonies. Please listen it very carefully. Only one statement is given, that the French ruler was giving support to the 13 American colony against the Britishers, but no explanation is given. So please listen it carefully. The France was giving help to the 13 American colonies of Britain. Now you'll be knowing that Britain is known for कॉलोनाइजिंग मैनी नेशन. ब्रिटेन सबसे बड़ी पावर थी जिसने लगभग आधे विश्व पर राज किया. ब्रिटेन की एक समय पर अमेरिका में, दिस इज नॉर्थ अमेरिका, अमेरिका में, व्हेन वी आर सेइंग अमेरिका, वी मीन्स यूएसए, नॉट कनाडा. एंड अमेरिका में नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन पे 13 अमेरिकन कॉलोनीज थी. once Britain was having 13 colonies here in America, and these colonies were struggling for their independence against Britishers. इस स्ट्रगल में फ्रांस के रूलर ने इन्हें हेल्प की थी फाइनेंशियली इन 13 अमेरिकन कॉलोनीज को. लुई 16 हेल्प्ड दीज 13 अमेरिकन कॉलोनीज टू फाइट वॉर अगेंस्ट ब्रिटेन. दे वर फाइटिंग फॉर देयर इंडिपेंडेंस. इस लड़ाई में, और ऐसा फ्रांस क्यों कर रहा था? बिकॉज Britain was a common enemy. Neighboring nations, they were common enemies. So France wanted these American colonies to be free from British control. Although there were many other reasons, but I will be not discussing these reasons. But if you really want to know, then please write a comment. I will be explaining that also. Right? So what is required here, I am discussing that only. So these 13 American colonies were fighting war against Britain, and in this war France was supporting these 13 American colonies, right, against a common enemy, that is Britain. Now in this war, the finances of the France was exhausted, राइट. एंड ये नौबत आई कि फ्रांस के राजा को कई बड़े मनी लेंडर्स से पैसा उधार लेना पड़ा. सो ही टुक क्रेडिट फ्रॉम मैनी रिच पीपल इन फ्रांस, एंड ओवर द टाइम जब खर्चे इतने बढ़ गए तो इन मनी लेंडर्स ने, इन क्रेडिटर्स ने रूलर को 10% इंटरेस्ट रेट चार्ज करना शुरू कर दिया, राइट. सो इंटरेस्ट रेट को पूरा करने के लिए, पैसा वापस करने के लिए, what the Louis XVI had done, he started increasing taxes on the people. कहाँ से खर्चे पूरा करेगा? तो उसने जनता पर टैक्सेस इम्पोज करने शुरू कर दिए, राइट. Not only this, the empty treasury was one reason. Why the treasury was empty? Because France was supporting 13 American colonies and the finances of France was exhausted. Apart from this, ये तो financial reason था. Louis XVI was a very unpopular ruler because he became a ruler of France at a very young age, and he was lacking that quality of a ruler. वो इतनी गहराई से किसी भी चीज़ को नहीं समझता था, especially the problems of the people. He was a despot. We have discussed this term earlier also. Despot वो होते हैं जो अपने लिए रूल करते हैं, अपनी मर्जी से रूल करते हैं, जनता के नहीं सोचते इतना. तो he was a despot और अपने very unpopular because every time he need to meet the expenses, he used to increase the taxes on the people. राइट. तो उसकी अपनी ज़रूरतें को पूरा करने के लिए वो टैक्सेस बढ़ाता जाता था जनता पे. ही वॉज एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट बाय नेचर. ही वॉज अनपॉपुलर एंड ही वॉज एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट. एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट मीन्स खर्चीला. वो इतना खर्चीला था, वो अपने एक्सपेंसेस पे कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाता था. ही वॉज हैविंग अ पैलेस एट वर्साइल. एक बहुत सुंदर पैलेस उसने अपनी रानी के लिए बनाया था. ही वॉज मैरिड टू एन ऑस्ट्रियन प्रिंसेस. ऑस्ट्रेलियन नहीं बोल रही हूँ, ऑस्ट्रियन प्रिंसेस. ऑस्ट्रिया इज़ अ नेशन हेयर इन यूरोप. वहाँ की राजकुमारी से उसकी शादी हुई थी और उसका नाम था मैरी एंटोनिया. नाउ बोथ दीज क्रीचर्स, द लुई 16 एंड मैरी एंटोनिया, दे वर very young at that age, at that time, and they were lacking the political experience. So इन दोनों का नेचर कैसा था? एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट था. दोनों ही बहुत खर्चीले थे. और उस बड़े से पैलेस जो वर्साइल में पैलेस उसने बनाया था, एक बड़ा सा राज दरबार को चलाने के लिए ही रिक्वायर्ड ह्यूज सम ऑफ मनी. To maintain a royal palace and to maintain his royal court, he required money, and the treasury was empty. So to meet these expenses, what he used to do, he used to increase the taxes on the people. So the entire burden of finances was on the shoulders of the common people. So these were one very prominent reason of French Revolution, why people hated their ruler in France at that time, because the ruler was very unpopular. These was the reasons which were related with Louis XVI. So in next video I'll be discussing more causes of the French Revolution. So please like, share and review this, and do write your comments, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.